Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lafayette Croissants. First, combine 500 grams of flour, 1 packet of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 50 grams of sugar, 140 grams of cold milk, and 140 grams of water. Knead this mixture for a few minutes until it forms a cohesive dough. Next, add 50 grams of cold butter and continue kneading until the dough is smooth and elastic. Cover the dough and let it rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. Then roll it into a rectangle and chill for another 30 minutes. Now, let's create those signature flaky layers. First, prepare a pliable butter block that matches the consistency of your chilled dough. Roll out your dough into a rectangle and carefully place the butter block in the center, folding the dough over to fully encase it. This is the start of lamination. You'll then perform a series of folds, chilling the dough for 30 minutes after each turn. This meticulous process builds hundreds of delicate layers. Finally, wrap the laminated dough and refrigerate it for at least 8 hours. Once your dough is perfectly laminated, it's time for shaping. Roll the chilled dough to a thickness of about 3 to 4 millimeters, making sure your edges are straight. Next, use a sharp knife to cut the dough into long strips, approximately 3 centimeters wide. Lightly mist each strip with water, then roll them tightly into a spiral, pinching one end to seal. Place these beautiful rolls into 10-centimeter round molds. Now, proof them for about 2 hours in a warm, humid spot, around 27 degrees Celsius, until they have doubled in size. The final step is baking your magnificent Lafayette croissants. First, gently brush the proofed croissants with an egg wash to achieve that perfect golden sheen. Bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius and continue baking for another 30 minutes, or until they are evenly golden brown. Allow them to cool completely before carefully removing them from their molds. Now, you can fill and decorate your delicious, homemade Lafayette croissants.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.